Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Railway Engineering by Subbarao. Today our topic is Howrah Division previous paper for selection to the post of Junior Engineer P.WAY against 20% Part-4 from question number 61 to 80. This examination has been conducted by Howrah Division in Eastern Railway. Okay friends, you know all the instructions and conditions, how to write OMR answer sheet and all these things. We shall move further. Question number 61. Push trolley shall be manned by at least dash men. Push trolley shall be manned by at least 4 men. Question number 61. C is correct answer, 4 men. Question number 62. Second hand 52 kg rails can be used on group dash routes. "52 kg second hand rails shall be used on group E routes where annual traffic density less than 5 GMT. Such routes, that is group E route." C is correct answer, since here D and E, but E routes less than 5 GMT. Question number 63. Gauge is measured dash mm below the rail table. Gauge is measured 13 mm below from the rail table. Question number 63. B is correct answer, 13 mm below the rail table. Question number 64. The breathing length of an LWR exhibits movement of dash. The breathing length of LWR will expand or contract due to thermal variation of LWR. While this movement, it will exhibit the complete movement of rear and sleeper frame. Question number 64. A is correct answer, rear and sleeper frame. So that is the purpose. Breathing length required frequent attention. Question number 65. Clearing of flangeway of check rails is done by dash in unmanned level crossing. At manned level crossing, gateman is available, he shall clear the checker clearances. But whereas at unmanned level crossings, nobody is available except keyman. Keyman, while doing his daily patrolling, if any obstruction or stone or anything he finds, anything between running and check rail, he will remove. Question number 65. C is correct answer, keyman. Question number 66. OMS equipment measures track riding index by taking the account of lateral and vertical oscillations, whereas TRC, CTR values and TGI values with reference to the all parameters, unevenness, gauge, alignment and twist. Anyway, OMS equipment measures ride index. A is correct answer. Question number 67. A pillar or column which has more than dash cm square plane for BG must be closed building and not as isolated structure. Question number 67. C is correct answer, 3716 centimeter square. Since OHE R-type portal, vertical column, cross-sectional area 60 centimeter by 60 centimeter, 3600 cm square. So C is correct answer 3716. If it is more than 3716 centimeter square, it is called a closed building, not a isolated structure. Question number 68. ERC is a rail-free fastening. First of all, ERC means elastic rail clip. Elastic rail clip is not a rail-free fastening. It is a rigid fastening. Rail-free fastening means it will allow the relative movement of the rail. So, this rail-free fastening shall be used on girder bridges where SWR or LWR track is laying. So, ERC is not a rail-free fastening. It is a elastic fastening. So, it is false. Question number 68. B is correct answer. False. Question number 69. Frequency of refresh course for keyman, mate, P.WAY Mestre, PWM is once in dash. For updating the P.WAY knowledge time to time, railways shall provide the refresh courses to all engineering staff, that is minimum keyman level. Keyman, mate, P.WAY Mestre, JE, SSC P.WAY or P.WAY, everybody should have refresh course once in a 5 years to update the knowledge, to refresh the knowledge. Question number 69. D is correct answer, once in 5 years. Question number 70. Chord length for measuring lead curvature of a turnout is dash. Turnout means in points and crossings where it will turn either left side or right side. That is turnout. While inspection of points and crossing, we shall measure the versine and turnout curves from tip of tongue rail to heel of crossing or nose of crossing every 3 meter interval on 6 meter chord. The station numbers are already pre-marked. So with 3 meter interval and 6 meter chord, we shall measure on turnout curves and turn-in curves also. Turn-in curve means followed by the turnout, particularly connected to loop lines, whereas our main line curves are measuring 10 meter interval and 20 meter chord. Question number 70. A is correct answer, 6 meter chord. Question number 71. In cuttings and high banks, trolley refuse should be provided at dash meter interval. In cuttings on straight line and on high banks, trolley refuse shall be provided on every 200 meter interval, whereas cuttings on curves every 100 meter interval, and on straight line maximum distance of trolley refuse is 1 kilometer. Question number 71. Here it is cuttings and high banks means 200 meter. D is correct answer. Question number 72. Protection of trolleys with the hand signal flag is required only when the visibility is less than dash meters. When trolleys running without block protection in the block section, when visibility is less than 1200 meter, then we shall send the trolleyman with HS flag for protection of trolley. If it is a double line in the direction of a coming train, if it is single line, both directions it is required. Question number 72. A is correct answer, 1200 meter. Question number 73. What is the minimum center to center distance on BG track in midsection? Midsection means that is in block sections, not in station yards. Other than station yards, minimum center to center of track is 4.265 mm, whereas alteration to existing tracks and new tracks, that is 5300 mm. Question number 73. A is correct answer, 4265 mm. Question number 74, 75, 76, we are skipped off since it is Rajya Bhasha questions. Question number 77. The de-stressing temperature of a 52 kg rail is the de-stressing temperature for zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3 for all rail sections Tm to Tm plus 5 degrees centigrade, whereas in zone 4 52 kg and above rail sections Tm plus 5 to Tm plus 10 degree centigrade. Particularly 52 kg rail section depend upon the zones. A, Tm to Tm minus 5, this is wrong. B, Tm to Tm plus 5, this is correct for zone 1, 2, 3. C, Tm plus 5 to Tm plus 10, this is for correct zone number 4. Question number 77. B is correct answer for zone 1, 2, 3. C is correct answer for zone 4. Of course, in Howrah Division, it may fall in which zone, so kindly look after. Question number 78. The maximum curvature permitted for laying on LWR is dash. The permitted locations of LWR, that is minimum track structure, then alignment criteria, next gradient criteria, then fixed locations, all these things. But here it is alignment criteria. Alignment criteria means curve. So that is maximum curvature permitted for 4 degree or 440 meter radius. Question number 78. Maximum curvature permitted for laying an LWR is 4 degree. Question number 79. Permissible speed on 1 in 8.5 turnouts with curved switches 50 kg, 60 kg on PS slippers. Permissible speeds on turnouts not depend upon the rail section. Permissible speeds on turnouts are 1 in 8.5 curved switch, 15 km page, 1 in 8.5 symmetrical split, and 1 in 12 curved switch, 30 km page, 1 in 12 TWS thick web switch, 50 km page, whereas 1 in 16 thick web switch, 65 km page. Question number 79. 1 in 8.5 curved switch means B is correct answer, 15 km page. Question number 80. Maximum permissible vertical wear on wing rails at opposite nose of crossing shall be the maximum permissible vertical wear on wing rails is 10 mm. But whereas for good maintenance practice, CMS crossing is 8 mm, built up and welded crossing is 6 mm. Anyway, here it is maximum permissible vertical wear 10 mm. Question number 80. A is correct answer 10 mm. Okay friends, we shall continue from 81 onwards on next video. If you are interested, kindly subscribe and share your friends group and ask them to subscribe such more valuable and technical videos. Thank you very much.